Cash App Borrow is only available to selected Cash App users, while Klover allows eligible users to apply after connecting their bank account and meeting its requirements. That difference is often the biggest factor in how quickly you can actually get approved. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is generally faster, what affects approval speed, and which option makes the most sense for your situation. If you're already eligible for Cash App Borrow, it's usually the faster experience because the feature is built directly into the Cash App. There isn't a separate application process beyond accepting the available offer inside your account. The catch is that not every Cash App user has access to Borrow. Cash App rolls out the feature to eligible accounts, so you may not even see the Borrow option in your app. If it's unavailable, there's no way to speed up access other than continuing to use Cash App normally and waiting until your account becomes eligible. Klover works differently. Instead of requiring an invitation, Klover lets eligible users sign up, connect their bank account, and verify their financial information. The app reviews factors such as consistent income, account activity, and banking history to determine whether you qualify for a cash advance. That means approval depends on completing the setup process and meeting Klover's eligibility requirements. If your account information is verified without issues, you can move through the process without waiting for an invitation like you would with Cash App Borrow. The real comparison comes down to your starting point. Choose Cash App Borrow if the Borrow feature is already available in your Cash App account. Since the feature is built into the app, accessing an available advance is generally more convenient. Choose Klover if Cash App Borrow isn't available to you. At least you can apply directly instead of waiting for your account to receive access. No matter which app you use, connecting your primary bank account, maintaining regular income deposits, and keeping your account information current can help avoid delays during the eligibility process. Here's the bottom line. Cash App Borrow is typically faster for users who already have access because there's no separate platform to join. Klover is the better option for people who want to apply immediately, instead of waiting for an invitation that may or may not appear in Cash App. Your next step is simple. Open Cash App and check whether Borrow is available in your account. If it isn't, compare Klover's eligibility requirements and see if you qualify to apply today. If this comparison saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps and personal finance tools.